Welcome back to another learning session. Today you will learn how to get your videos into suggested videos and search results. These two sources can bring consistent and powerful growth to your channel. Let's begin. Section 1. How suggested videos work. YouTube wants viewers to keep watching. Suggested videos help YouTube achieve that. They appear on the side of the screen and after a video ends. YouTube looks at what videos people watch together. If viewers finish a video and then watch yours next, the algorithm connects them. Your video becomes part of a viewing chain. More clicks, more watch time, more suggestions. This is the fastest path to explosive growth. Section 2. Signals YouTube uses to recommend videos. YouTube runs a test. It shows your video to a small audience first. If they click the thumbnail quickly, that is a positive signal. If they watch most of the video, that is another positive signal. If they watch more videos after yours, that is the strongest signal. Click-through rate drives discovery. Watch time drives distribution. Session time drives domination. The more time viewers stay on YouTube because of your content, the more you get recommended. Section 3. Strategies to appear in suggested videos. Create related content. Choose a niche and stay consistent. Produce videos around the same topics. Link your videos together using end screens and pinned comments. Tell viewers what to watch next. Example, if this helped you, watch my video on thumbnails next. Study successful videos in your niche. Use similar keywords and topics. Match the viewer intent. Your goal is to become the next video viewers want. Ask viewers to comment and keep the conversation going. Engagement encourages more recommendations. Section 4. Ranking higher in YouTube and Google search. Search is discovery with intent. Viewers are looking for answers. Serve the answer clearly. Use strong keywords in your title. Repeat the keyword in the first line of your description. Say the keyword naturally in the video. YouTube reads your captions. Google ranks videos that solve real problems. Add supporting tags. Use chapters with keywords. Focus your thumbnail and title on a single clear idea. If your content helps someone find what they want, your ranking will rise. Section 5. Final tips for maximum visibility. Hook your viewer within the first 10 seconds. Remove long intros, deliver value fast, and make every second interesting. Upload consistently so YouTube understands your niche. Improve one element each time: title, thumbnail, pacing, editing. Small improvements lead to big results over time. Apply these steps and you will start appearing in suggested videos and search results. Lastly, let's discuss why suggested videos are important. Suggested videos are important because they drive rapid growth. Because they appear next to highly watched videos, even one strong suggestion can boost your views dramatically. Searchable content keeps bringing views for months or even years after uploading. You can reach new audiences without paying for ads. Both systems offer free exposure to millions of potential viewers. These viewers are already interested in the topic, so they are more likely to click and watch longer. More views lead to more recommendations. More recommendations lead to more new viewers. The cycle continues automatically. Try these tips and watch your YouTube channel grow. Watch the next lesson to keep expanding your audience. In the next lesson, we will talk about monetization and AI tools for YouTube. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.